Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
So today we're going to talk about help me, help you. Help me, help you. Right? A very famous quote on the Jerry Maguire's movie a couple of years ago. So anyway, help others that are new online, or even if it's not the case, the person is not that new, but it's lost. And I always make this comparison. Remember when you start online, maybe with little confidence and a bit on the dark, and you know that feeling, the way you behaved before, like trying to find things around. Well, basically, it's payback time.
At last. Welcome, Neo. As you no doubt have guessed, I am Morpheus.
So you can help others online by sharing the knowledge you have now. It's true that people will forget what you wrote or post online, but here's the catch. They will never forget how you make them feel when they need some kind of help.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
So you can help in so many ways a new user or a listener. For example, sharing information about a topic you are knowledgeable about it, or point them into the right direction to appropriate online resource like Wikipedia, WikiHow, Yahoo Answers, Quora, etc. Or share a link. Sometimes your help can be also useful if you know a particular skill. For example, if you're a graphic designer, for example, and somebody's needs some help on doing a sketch or getting some feedback of someone's work, and you have this talent, you can just take you less than 5 minutes to make a sketch and send to the person, or give your opinion about their logo or something like that, their marketing material, right? So there are so many ways you can help people online all over the world, actually.
I'm Rick Harrison, and this is my pawn shop.
The best part of doing so is that it satisfies our mind and soul when you are helping others, right? In the end, little drips of water are what makes an ocean. And we should always help each other as much as we can, right? Go Humans idea. Go Humans! Yeah! Anyway, as action, find a way to help someone online. Can be your followers, or even if it's not your followers. Keep looking and monitoring what the people are comment or what kind of help they are looking for. And do these simple tasks for jump in sometimes and just try to share or give the most valuable thing for the receiver, right? So share the information, share some knowledge, right? Spare some knowledge, right? That's the way to go. And if we keep doing that, social media might be transformed to a very kind of helping each other platform, and can generate some innovative ideas, right? Okay, maybe I'm dreaming a little bit right now, but that's how I see, and help me help out. Help me help you actually makes a big difference. Maybe not now, but in the future. Trust me on that. Okay? So thanks, and see you soon again. Bye.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.